Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VS Code latest version on Kubuntu 24.04, but the process is on all Kubuntu versions. First open the browser, that is Firefox, then go to code.visualstudio.com. Click on .debian or download, then click on this .debian package. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Once download completes, then we will install this .debian package. See, download is completed. Open terminal or console. Increase the font by pressing Ctrl++. Now, go to downloads directory, CD downloads, LS. See, here we have the Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, give the code, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. If you want to add Microsoft APT repository for Visual Studio Code, you have to select yes. If you don't want, select no. I want to select yes and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, then search for Visual Studio Code. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, you got the Visual Studio Code application. Okay, let me close this one. You can also open Visual Studio Code by just typing code on the terminal. Hit enter. See, you got the Visual Studio Code application. Okay, ls, this file is not required anymore. Remove. rm, give code, give the tab, hit enter. Else we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Kubuntu 24.04. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.